Diagnostic trouble code P0745. It's a transmission code. Overdrive light was flashing. Transmission pressure control solenoid. This is it here. It's only held in by a couple of bolts, possibly a clip, and then I think a plug. Pan comes out really easy. Nothing really in the way. Just drain the fluid, drop the pan. This is it here. I think it's 2 bolts, possibly 3. And there's a clip there on the left of it. And then a plug up above it. But very easy. Probably a half hour after you do everything. So it should clear up the overdrive light flashing. So anybody can do it. You can do it at home. Just get your car jacked up, drain your fluid, drop your pan. So anyway, the code again was P0745, and it was a transmission pressure control solenoid, and it causes the overdrive light to flash. Pretty easy, simple fix. Hope this helps, and please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.